Welcome to our ultimate guide on keeping goats healthy and disease-free. Goats are intelligent, resourceful animals that can serve as wonderful livestock for farmers or companions for hobbyists. Maintaining their health not only ensures their happiness but also their productivity and longevity. This guide provides expert tips and actionable advice to help you keep your goats in optimal health. From nutrition and shelter to vaccinations and enrichment, we'll cover it all. Let's get started. Section 1. Nutrition, the foundation of goat health. One of the most critical aspects of goat care is proper nutrition. A balanced diet ensures goats receive all the essential nutrients they need to thrive. 1. High-quality forage. Forage, such as grass, hay, and browse, is the staple of a goat's diet. Make sure the hay you provide is fresh and free from mold or contaminants. Alfalfa hay is a popular choice, especially for pregnant does, as it's high in calcium and protein. 2. Supplement with grains. While forage is essential, grains can provide goats with additional energy, especially during cold weather or lactation. Feed grains in moderation to prevent health issues like acidosis or bloat. 3. Mineral supplements. Minerals are crucial for goats, particularly minerals containing copper, selenium, and zinc. Provide free choice mineral blocks specifically formulated for goats, as minerals designed for other livestock may lack essential nutrients. 4. Fresh, clean water. Goats require access to fresh, clean water at all times. Dehydration can lead to serious health problems, including urinary calculi. Regularly clean water troughs to prevent algae buildup. 5. Avoid toxic plants. Inspect pastures for toxic plants such as rhododendrons, azaleas, and oleander. Goats are curious eaters and may nibble on harmful vegetation. Section 2. Shelter and environment. Providing a safe, clean, and comfortable environment is key to preventing illnesses and promoting well-being. 1. Well-ventilated shelter. Goats need protection from extreme weather conditions, be it cold winters or scorching summers. Build a shelter that is dry, draft-free, and well-ventilated to prevent respiratory illnesses. 2. Cleanliness is key. Maintaining clean bedding and pens reduces the risk of disease. Remove waste and soiled bedding regularly, and use fresh straw or shavings as needed. 3. Proper fencing. Secure fencing is crucial to protect goats from predators and prevent them from escaping. Electric fences can be effective in keeping goats safe while discouraging predators. 4. Space requirements. Avoid overcrowding. Goats are active and need ample space to roam and play. Overcrowding can lead to stress and the spread of diseases. Section 3. Vaccinations and regular health checks. Preventative care is vital for goat health. Regular vaccinations and checkups can save time, money, and stress. 1. Core vaccines. Work with your veterinarian to establish a vaccination schedule. Essential vaccines include CDT, which protects against Clostridium perfringens and tetanus. 2. Routine health monitoring. Monitor goats daily for signs of illness, such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or unusual behavior. Early detection allows for prompt treatment. 3. Hoof care. Trim your goat's hooves regularly to prevent issues like foot rot and lameness. Hoof trimming frequency depends on the terrain and activity level of your goats. 4. Deworming and parasite management. Conduct fecal tests periodically to check for internal parasites. Avoid routine deworming to prevent resistance. Deworm only when necessary. Section 4. Recognizing common goat diseases. Knowing the symptoms of common goat diseases can help you act quickly and effectively. 1. Bloat. Symptoms: swollen abdomen, difficulty breathing. Prevention. Provide a proper diet and avoid abrupt changes in feeding. 2. Mastitis. Symptoms: swollen, painful udder, changes in milk color or consistency. Prevention. Practice good milking hygiene and ensure clean bedding. 3. Coccidiosis. Symptoms: diarrhea, weight loss, weakness. Prevention: maintain cleanliness, avoid overcrowding, and consult your vet about preventive measures. 4. Caseous lymphadenitis, CL. Symptoms: abscesses near lymph nodes. Prevention: quarantine new animals and vaccinate as needed. Section 5. Breeding tips for healthy offspring. Healthy goats start with smart breeding practices. Follow these tips. 1. Pre-breeding health checks. Ensure breeding goats are in excellent health by conducting pre-breeding health exams. 2. Nutrition during pregnancy. Provide pregnant does with nutritious feed that meets their increased energy and mineral requirements. 3. Prepare for assisted births. Know the signs of labor and have supplies ready for assisted births. Call a vet for complicated cases. 4. Colostrum for newborns. Ensure newborn kids consume colostrum within the first few hours after birth. Colostrum provides immunity and essential nutrients. Section 6. Behavioral wellness and enrichment. Happy goats are healthier goats. Encourage mental stimulation through social and environmental enrichment. 1. Social interaction. Goats are herd animals and thrive in social settings. Avoid isolation as it can cause stress and depression. 2. Toys and climbing structures. Provide toys, logs, and climbing platforms for goats to play on. Enrichment activities keep goats engaged and active. 3. Routine grooming. Grooming helps build trust with your goats while keeping them clean and healthy. Section 7. Quarantine and biosecurity. Preventing disease outbreaks starts with sound biosecurity measures. 1. Quarantine new arrivals. Isolate new goats for at least 30 days to monitor for signs of illness. Conduct health checks before introducing them to the herd. 2. Visitor hygiene. Limit visitor access and provide disinfectants for footwear and hands. 3. Sanitation practices. Disinfect equipment, feed troughs, and water containers regularly to prevent the spread of pathogens. Section 8. Building a relationship with your veterinarian. A knowledgeable and approachable vet is essential for managing goat health. 1. Regular checkups. Schedule routine veterinary visits to identify and address potential health issues early. 2. Emergency preparedness. Know how to recognize medical emergencies, and always have your vet's contact information handy. 3. Education and support. Stay informed by discussing goat health topics with your vet and utilizing reputable resources. Conclusion: happy goats, happy life. Healthy goats require attention, care, and knowledge. By following these expert tips, you can ensure your goats lead happy, productive lives while minimizing health-related challenges. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more goat care tips. Thanks for watching.